Hi, I'm Ronan with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking about cybersecurity and how to protect your company against ransomware, against email attacks, protecting your data, protecting your finances, and protecting the security of your company. They estimate at the moment there's about $9 billion in claims that they know of so far of losses related to cybersecurity. So what are the first things that you can do? Well, first of all, get a good firewall for your company. Secondly, you want to make sure that things like your passwords are complex and they're changed on a regular basis, because the biggest hacks that we've seen so far is that when people have got easily hackable passwords. Now, if you're remote into your server, that always creates a little bit of vulnerability, so you want to make sure that when you are remoting into your office from outside, that extra security is put in place. Now, some of the big forms of theft that we've seen is people hack your emails. That can be done in a variety of ways. One of the biggest things happening at the moment is an employee in the company opens a PDF attachment, nothing happens, or so they think. But what they've done is that they've exposed the email and password to the bad guys. The bad guys come in, they start monitoring the situation, and then they jump in between at an opportune time. And what they're going to do is say, wire the transfer to the new bank account details. The employee goes ahead, it looks like everything looks normal, just a new bank account, and they wire the transfer to the bad guys instead of the correct company. Then, of course, there's the whole situation of ransomware. Ransomware, again, opening up attachments is one of the biggest things. And then people responding to pop-ups that come along, and it says that your machine's been infected. General rule of thumb, treat every attachment with suspicion. If you're not sure, get hold of the person, find out, did you actually send this to me? Once you have been exposed, or you suspect that you've been exposed, you really want to come into a company like Impress Computers and get everything checked out. If you leave it for an extended period of time, it's only going to make matters worse. The sooner we can get in, the better our chances are of getting the bad guys out of the system. So if you want to protect your data, you want to protect your system, remember that every employee in the company is a potential exposure. So training is very important. Sitting down with them, making sure that they know what to look out for. So again, let's just go through those things. Make sure that you've got secure passwords. Make sure that you don't have any open ports in your router. Make sure that you treat every attachment with suspicion. Give your employees training. If you're not sure about what to do, Impress Computers can do a free network assessment to discover what vulnerabilities your network does have, so you can go informed and know what to do to protect both your personal computers, the server, and your entire network. If you want to schedule that, give us a call at 281-647-9977.